just don't understand how you can sell to someone 3 pieces of artificial flowers at 300 bob. Like, for example, this goes for 100 shillings. Mombasa, Kenya. Hey, please spare me that. I can't. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, the love, you know the love. So today I have a haul and it's in this bag, and all this is from AliExpress, and these are things I think I ordered last year or early this year or mid this year. I'm not sure of the dates and time, but I got like 7 items and I thought, why not open with you guys? Cynthia, because you like watching me open things. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, we are going to be starting from the smallest to the largest, okay? Oh my goodness, you guys, do you know what? I just realized this is what is it called? They put in some air in this packaging because they are sunglasses and they're inside in here so that it cannot break. Oh my god, can you guys imagine? So I'm just wondering, how am I supposed to remove the sunglasses? They are way inside and this is the cover, so I think I'm supposed to put a straw in here. Guys, I am back and I did not manage to remove it. So what I'm going to do is just pull this. I pull this out and the pressure just disappeared, and you see, this is the Miwani. I like the packaging, it's very, very nice. So these are the guys, it comes with a little this glasses, and this is what they look like. Can you see that, you guys? Can you see? Sorry, the ring light is reflecting, but anyway, check this baby out. Can you see her? Let's just put it on. Yeah. What were you saying? Like, can I please get a bottle of water? Because sis, do I know you? Do I know you? Anyway, oh my god, you guys, hey, come on. Hey, AliExpress, I am not sure how much I got this for, but I will check and I will let you guys know how much I got this for. Hey, and I just love them. Can you guys see what hey, this is the next item, and let's just open. So these are some very cute little headgear that is adjustable, and you can actually put them over your ear when it's cold, like, you know what's popping. It's adjustable and you can open or spread it like this to a bigger shape. So this is this. It's in pink. It's in pink. Yeah, it's in. We have these 3 cute little things. So guys, you see these 3 little cute things. I got these things because I needed something to, like, they are basically head things. Let me just do a demo. You're doing your makeup and you do not want to interfere with your hairline or the makeup going on your hair. This is the reason I bought this. So what? Yeah, that's the whole purpose of these things. I think I should wear this for the video. Oh no, or I should wear this red one. This one, so that it matches. No. Next, I don't know why this one. Oh, we have a smaller one. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. It's just so tiny. Yeah, it's very tiny. I'll just open it. Okay, now I remember this. I totally remember this. So it's a little cute neck piece written Capricorn. Wow, I am a Capricorn and I am a Capricorn, nothing more, nothing less. Oh, this is so cute, like it's custom made. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'll just wear this. Can you see how it's popping? Like, can you see? Capricorns in the house, say hey. So that's a little cute neck piece that I got from, you know, AliExpress. On to the next one. I think I'll just wear this for the video because naipenda, I love it. Well, I'm just already tired. So I ordered some flowers from AliExpress sometime last year. I think those ones right there, as you can see. And I ordered them, I got them for like 100 bob, and they were so big and so many. So I decided to get them again in different colors like black, pink and white. But sasa, just check out what has come. This. I cannot even start to imagine how I'm going to put these tiny little flowers. Like, my god. I just removed from the black one, and can you see? They are so tiny. Like, I'd feel one, I don't know, one vase with all this. Like, they are so tiny. That's black. Let me just open the pink one and show you. Kasababu, eh? For the flowers, yo. Hey. Let me just open and get it. These are the pink and black flowers. Okay, they are so tiny. Because they literally fit in my hand. Like, I can hold this. My phone is even bigger, like very tiny. I'll open the white ones. So all these are the three colors that I got: white, black and pink. And my god, they are so tiny. They are so tiny. They are so tiny. But I'll just find a way to work around with them because yeah, I already got them. And this I got for like 50 shillings, 50 Kenya shillings, or 100 shillings for all three. I think for all three I got for 100 shillings, but I'm not sure. I'll leave the link down in the description box for you guys to like check it out. Let me just put them aside because I'm not about to get mad because of what I've seen. No. It's not happening. It's not. Hiya. Rubber band side. This is the biggest package I got. Yes. Oh my god, you guys. I have to show you. Now these are the kind of flowers that I wanted. Can you see? This is so big. Like, yes. Oh my god, yes. I just want to open. Yes. These are the roses I wanted, like the ones I got sometime last year. Hey, I am excited. Can you see these flowers? They are so cute, you guys. I know here they look funny and all that, but once I put them together like that one, it's going to be very, very beautiful. And yes, now this is the seller. I did not get the small items from this seller. No, I got it from different sellers because they were both displaying the same thing, so I wasn't sure which is which. So yes, now you can even hold this as a bouquet. And hey, can you see the difference? This is the difference. Reality, no, reality versus expectation. At least I got both. Cindy, I got them both, and these are very good. They are velvet material, same case to this ones, but they're very tiny and they are just so cute. So I got the black ones in like 1, 2, they're all inside here, 3, 4, yeah. And then I also got them in white, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's white. And oh, this is nice. And then I also got them in pink again. I got them in pink, and I also got them in a light pink. As you can realize, these two pink colors are just different. So I got them in, yeah, these two pinky flowers. Next, we are having this, and it is a bikini in pink again. It's a bikini. Oh my god. And the bottoms are just high-waisted, and it comes, oh nice, this is good. It comes with a protective layers on written, all that. Should I try this on and show you guys how it looks like? Should I? Yeah, I will be wearing this and then I show you. Kwanza, before I wear, let's just finish up with the last item. This is the last item, and it is it came wrapped in this bubble paper, bubble wrap, and it is a 6-in-1. It's a 6-in-1 Derma roller system, and comes in a box. Oh, okay, nice. These are the things inside. I don't know if you can see. Those are the things inside, and it has like instructions here of how to use them on your face. Papa, these are the instructions. So it's closed like this, and it opens like this. And once you open, it has the roller thing that goes on here, and you just roll, and you know, on your skin, like, yeah, it has, you guys, it has some little two needles that makes it feel really good. It's not painful as people, I've seen people having this and they're saying the way it's painful. No guys, it's not painful at all. That's number 1. Then we have number 2, this one, the big one, still the same case, number 2. And we have this one, number 3. It's very tiny, very, very tiny. And this one, this is like a spongy silicone thing that's just so soft and all that, yeah. And there's another one here. Oh, this, ooh, now this is painful. Can you see? Hold up. Can you see those little pins? It is, see, that's why they even covered it, you know, for safety measures. And yeah, so guys, I am done opening and showing you all that, but then I opened this place over here. I feel like there's something missing that should be in here, and I will check it out because that's what it looks like. And if I close it, that's what it looks like. It's not showing well, but okay. So that's it. So guys, let us just jump right in and try this bikini. You made it to this point of this video. You're the real VIP. You are the real MVP. Atasi VIP MVP. You know, you are the real one. And so guys, that's it. If you like any of the items that I have shown you guys, let me know. If you need them, let me know. In the description, I'll be leaving all the details about the items. If I get, and if I don't, I just don't get it. Okay, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey y'all, subscribe. But hey, I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe. I'm waiting. You must subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye.